Hey friends, if you wish to change the initials in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Now, one thing is that you have a name, and other than that name, if you did not have a profile picture, it would add initials. Even otherwise, in a lot of sharing processes, it does add some initials. So it's not absolutely zero. If you wish to change your initials, click on File, select Options, and then go to the General tab. You'll find area which says Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. It's a section. So the initials are usually the initials picked up from the name itself, but you can change it to something else. Like you can just change it to anything that you want to, and then click on OK. And these initials will be changed for Microsoft Word, and whenever you send a copy, it will hold the same way. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.